Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So let's go toward the video. First, you have to go to your profile and click on your profile at the bottom right, and then click on the three dot at the top, and then click on the setting and privacy at the first number. Now is the Instagram updating, so the setup is always changing, so you have to search for deactivate and click on it. So select your ID which you want to deactivate. Now there is a two option, deactivate account or delete account. So you have to click on deactivate account and then continue. So it will require a password. Once you enter a password, your account will be deactivated temporarily. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave comments.